This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious raspberry mojito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need fresh raspberries, vibrant mint leaves, and juicy lime wedges. For the liquids, grab some crisp white rum, sweet simple syrup, and sparkling club soda. Don't forget your muddler, a sturdy tall glass, and plenty of ice to keep your drink perfectly chilled. Now let's infuse those amazing flavors. Take about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges, then gently muddle them in your glass. The goal is to release their aromatic oils, not to shred them. Next, add 5 to 7 ripe raspberries. Lightly muddle these as well, just enough to break them open and release their beautiful, sweet juices into the mixture. This creates a fantastic base. With your muddled base ready, it's time to add the spirits and sweetness. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass. Following that, add 1 ounce of simple syrup. This ensures a perfectly balanced sweetness that complements the fruit and mint. Finally, fill your glass completely to the brim with crushed ice. This will keep your mojito wonderfully cold and refreshing. Almost there. To complete your delightful raspberry mojito, top it off with about 4 to 5 ounces of sparkling club soda. This adds a lovely fizz and lightens the drink. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure all those incredible flavors are well combined throughout the glass. For the perfect presentation, garnish your mojito with a fresh sprig of mint and a few extra raspberries. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.